G'day folks, this is one of the weeds growing at our place, three-leaf clover. It is edible in the raw state, and the nutritional value of these, it's very high in protein. The leaves, you can eat them raw, salad, stems, and the flowers as well. I'll get on to flowers in a minute. But sometimes the human digestive system doesn't handle these too well. So some say it's best to juice the leaves. It makes a very nutritional juice. You can eat them raw, put them in salads and stuff like that. It's just it might give you a bit of a tummy ache if you eat a lot of it. So give it a bit of a taste. Not unpleasant. Tastes a bit hard to describe, but it's not overpowering, it's not unpleasant. So you can eat them raw. The flower heads, oh, there's a bee. And this is why we leave them grow in our yard, because they do attract bees in to our place, and helps with the pollination of our fruit trees, and indeed any vegetable flowers. I suppose you could call it a companion weed around vegetables and fruit trees. Why not? I don't know that people cultivate them. These are just growing wild in our yard. In fact, some places, you know, people with yards, they consider these as a noxious weed, and they try to get rid of them, poison them and so on. The flowers are also edible, and they do attract a lot of bees. That's why we let them go at our places, as it is in front of the camera. The dried flower heads, this is one here, it's not quite dry, but these contain the seeds once the flower's been pollinated. And these can also be ground up into a very nutritious flour that can be added to other recipes. And the flour itself, if I remember correctly, or the dry parts of the flour, makes a very nutritious tea. When hot water is added to it, or steeping as it's called. So there's one of the edible weeds that may be growing at your place. In the survival genre, it is a survival weed, as I said, high in protein. And I'm still munching on that leaf. It's not an unpleasant, overpowering taste. So there it is, folks. Very nutritious, and we encourage it to grow at our place out here in the sticks a bit. So there's some more of it over here. It's doing quite well actually. It's a little bit early in the season, so we'll probably get other patches coming up. It's self-propagating, and not many bees around today. It's a little bit cool and on the windy side, but yeah. Alrighty, see you later.